Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about some New Year's resolutions. So, you know, New Year's resolutions, everyone has them and no one follows through. So we'll see how this year goes for me. But I wanted to share mine with you that I'm going to strive for. So let's go ahead and get started. My first one, which I've told you guys the first, well, two of these already. I want to save on groceries. I think that that's a huge part of the money we spend, which I cook a lot and send it to other people and send it to Sean's work and stuff like that. So I don't want to stop doing that. So I still plan to do that, but I want to try to try to really get good deals. If that means I need to go to a couple different stores, do that, and just try to save on groceries the best I can. And then along with that one, I already told you guys this next one too. I'm looking at my phone, so is to eat healthier. I don't think we eat pretty bad, but and I don't want to be like an extreme health eater either. That's not what I want. I don't want to cut everything out. I just, want more moderation and to try to, you know, incorporate those other things into my diet and just make an effort to try to eat healthier. And then my third one is I want to try to stick to our budget more. I always make a budget and I always am aware of what the budget is, and we don't always follow through with the budget, and I would like to really stick with it and not go over unless there's like an emergency that we have to spend money from a certain category, then that's fine, but I want to make a really solid effort to stick with the budget. And my fourth New Year's resolution is to organize and declutter. So basically, when I was 19 and got my first apartment, I moved out with hardly anything. I did not have a bunch of stuff that I had already. I pretty much moved out with the bare necessities that I needed to live, and then slowly bought things that I needed. So I had a super minimal, you want to talk about a minimal house. I had a minimal house, and it was always like really easy to clean. It was so decluttered. It was great. And then I started accumulating more, and then we got married and started accumulating even more, and then we had like two sets of pots and pans, and we both really liked our pots and pans, and neither one of us wanted to be the one that got rid of our stuff. So now we just have a whole bunch of stuff, and it's kind of out of control, and I am pretty sure we're going to be moving at some point this year into a different house, and I don't want to move all that stuff, honestly. So I want to organize and declutter, and I think that organizing will also help save money because I'll know exactly what we have and don't have, and I'm pretty organized with like food and like hygiene items and things like that. You guys have seen my pantry stockpile tour. If you haven't, I'll leave it right there. But just like in general organizing like my craft items, so that if I'm doing a craft and I'm like, do I have this ribbon? It's really easy for me to know if I have it, whereas if it's buried in the bottom of 3 huge craft tubs, I'm going to be like, I'll just buy some more when I might already have it. So things like that I want to organize and declutter so that, yeah, it's just not as cluttery and it's easier to keep clean and kind of more a relaxing atmosphere to be in. So those are pretty much my New Year's resolutions. We'll see how they go. I'm going to make an effort to stick with them, but I would love to hear what your guys' New Year's resolutions are, and maybe if there's something that I'm like, that's a really good one, I'll try to maybe throw it on as a fifth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, you know, the regular stuff I always say. And I hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed new year. And yeah, Happy New Year's. I think this video is going to go up on the 1st. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye guys.